this. I feed this on other streams, and I forgot to press the go button. So anybody who's trying to watch on those other feeds missed it. I hate when I do that. Anyways, when we are overbought, that's a situation to sell. When the lines, these lines, the majors and minors, the red and green are the majors, the blue or the gray and black are the minors. When they're above the blue line, that's a sell opportunity. When they're below the red line, that is a buy opportunity. When they are above the blue line, I am looking for them to be pointing down. If I have that, that is the first step in my analysis. I do not have that, so I'm going to pass. Euro USD, we are approaching the overbought, and everybody's still going up. The minors are going up rather steeply. The majors not so much, no, not so steeply. Pound USD overbought. Majors are starting to turn. They're starting to come down, but the minors are still going up. I want everybody going in the same direction. And basically on this trade, what I am trying to do is I am trying to get 7 of the 10 lines going in one direction. And when that happens, I've got a good trade setup. Each of the sections are measuring something different. So I am looking to just have the lines line up, and I know I've got a setup. Then what I need to do is figure out what it's worth and when to enter. USD Canadian oversold, still going down. USD Swiss franc, majors are overbought, minors are still on the channel, and everybody's going up. In USD yen, everybody's going up. Minors rather steeply, and the majors not steeply, but they've gotten more steep. So here the line is less steep, more steep. I don't want to take a buy here because I don't know how much more movement up there is in the movement. On the trade I sent out tonight, I am looking at a day chart when I'm figuring out what that is. So I do think we have even though I wouldn't take a trade off of this setup, off the day setup, I think we're okay, and we've got we had about a 10-point trade there. So I am now going to just open up a new chart and look at some more pairs. So I've cloned this chart, the light 6 major, and I call it the 6 major 2. So I've got another 6 charts with non-US pairs. So here's the Euro USD, Euro pound. All the lines were below. They're going up. There is nice steepness to this. This is actually a very nice setup. The issue here, though, is it's the Euro pound. Euro pound, it's midnight in, or it's approaching midnight in England, and Euro, it's like 1 in the morning. So this isn't a prime time, a morning time. The indicators don't work as well, or in my opinion, the indicators, I don't like to trade pairs that aren't morning time off of this signal. So I am going to pass, even though I like this part of the signal. So let's keep looking and see if we can find one that is okay. Australian dollar yen, it is approaching morning in both of these pairs, but we are overbought and going up, so nothing there. Euro Canadian dollar, we started to get oversold, and they're going up middle of the channel, so we're going to pass. Again, this is non-prime time for both of these, and I don't like it. So just looking at it, I don't like the steepness here, and I only have two of the 4 points here. Thick orange is going up, thin orange is going down. Excuse me. So one of the two are telling me buy. Thick blue is coming down, which means buy. Dotted blue is going up, which means sell. It's only two of the four, so we're going to pass. Um, uh, it's like one of those things. I've looked at this so much that just looking here, I can kind of tell. I realize that you're not there yet, so that's why I want to kind of articulate other factors that kind of make me say no to it. Overbought going we're just approaching overbought. Everybody's going up. Pound yen overbought, still going up. It started to come down, but changed its mind, so no. Euro, Australian dollar, oversold. Minors are going up. Majors are going sideways, so we're going to pass. So let's open up another grouping. And we will change it to 6 major 3. Canadian dollar, yen, majors are overbought, still going up. Euro, New Zealand dollar. We technically have the signal here. Oversold, everybody's going up. The green has crossed over the red, and the gray has crossed over the black. So I've got 3 points here. 1 that we're oversold, 2 that everybody's going up, and 3 that green's on top and gray's on top. I don't like that the slope has decreased here. Stronger slope, lesser slope. We're less than halfway. When we go up to the TNTs, thick orange is going up, which means buy. Thick blue is coming down. So, thin orange is going down, which means sell. Dotted blue is just slightly going down. So we got 3 of the 4 here telling us sell. Telling us buy. The 2 blues are going down, and the thick orange is going up. But then on my pressure is soft down, soft sell. I need the lines to be going up or the green line to be on top, and I've got neither here. So soft sell, which is kind of supporting what I'm seeing in here, where there's not enough of an up move to warrant taking the buy here. So we're going to pass. This is similar to this. Pound New Zealand dollar. Here we only have, so we're not quite halfway, but the majors are going sideways here and not an up. So we've got 3 points, but we don't have the support on the TNTs. Thick orange is going up, thin orange is going down. Dotted blue is going down, which means buy. Thick blue is coming up, which means sell. So I'm going to have 2 of the 4 here, so we're going to pass. Euro or New Zealand dollar, yen, overbought going up. Gold. Overbought, everybody's coming down. So we've got 3 points here. I've got the double cross, black's on top and red's on top. Thick orange is going up, which means buy. Thin orange is coming down, which means sell. And we get 2 of the 4 here. Thin orange is telling me sell, and thick blue is telling me sell. I want to have 3 out of the 4. So we do have the pressure. We've got up pressure, but red is on top. Oh, wait. So the thin orange is going down. So I've got 3 of the 4 now. The 2 orange lines and the blue line. Let us take a look. It's off time for the USD, but gold kind of trades all the time, so that's okay. So let us see. I want to get some confirmation that I like this. So the 1 hour trade, we've got 7 points here. 3 points here on the majors and minors. 3 points on the TNTs, the 2 orange lines and the thick blue, and 1 point on the pressure. Pressure is up, but we've got the red on top, and the lines are diverging. They're moving away from one another. The green is starting to roll, so I like that. So if I look at Euro USD, so we're going to make this AUD, or is it XAU USD? So what I want to do is I want confirmation from the 2 hour and the 4 hour that we're overbought. Doesn't have to be going down, but I want them overbought, because if this starts to change, if we're overbought here, eventually it will come down. So here we're overbought. The minors have started to come down. Majors aren't there yet, but I like that we're overbought, and I like that we've got the kink in the red line here. Usually I look for the green line, but I'm happy with this. And the same on the 4 hour. Overbought. Minors coming down. Majors haven't committed yet. They're still going up. That's okay. I like it that everybody's overbought. So eventually they're going to be coming down. Minors have on the day chart. I don't really consider this one that much, but the minors have run all the way through the channel. The majors have started to go a little sideways here. So this might pull back a little bit. The minors might pull back to get back to where the majors are. But here, this is what I like. So then the question is, what's the trade worth? So what the trade is worth is XAU. Going back to my little chart here, I want to know where the support and resistance is and what the trend is. So to do that, I am going to pull the calendar, pull the chart together. Let's put this so I can get more data points on here. And support and resistance are spots where the candles basically stop. And that has an impact on kind of the price action, because what's happened is a lot of buying has happened at that point. And people who are holding on to the trade then dump the trade when it gets back to that spot. So while the dumping's going on, it's harder to break through. So let us draw some support and resistance on this. So I drop a line in, and I'm going to move it around to spots where I see some natural stopping. So it's stopping right in here, right in here, in here, in here, in here, over here. And I want to put a line below and a line above. Just trying to decide. Stops right in here, right in here, right in here, in here, in here, here. And let's put one above. Right in here, right in here, in here, over here, here. I'm going to put one more above. Right in here, in here, over here, over here, over here. So now that I got the support and resistance, what do I have for a trend? So a little bit of an uptrend since Thursday. Small uptrend. Big down day on the 5th. So we're trading into an uptrend. And let's see, how much room do I have to these support and resistance lines? So going up, I have 3.12. Going down, I got 4.3. So if we're taking a sell, we're going against the trend. Oops. 2.4. 4.2. I think we could take 2 down. Let's do that. We're going to take 2 down. So I'm going to open up my MetaTrader 4. I'm going to go to trade. I am going to go to file and new chart. And I'm going to go to metals. And I click XAU USD. So this is the gold chart. Holy smoke. What is that? All right. Okay, so for the volume, my volume is going to be determined by, so I'm going to go down the second row and go to new order, pop up new order. To figure out what my volume is going to be, I'm going to move the decimal place over 4. So I've got 11. I've got 1.14. So I'm going to take a volume size of 1.1 because we're a little less than half here. I'm not going to worry about my stop loss or take profit. I'm going to do a market execution sell. And now I am going to right click anywhere along the recorded transaction, go to modify, and I'm trying to figure out here. I haven't traded gold in a long time, so I'm trying to remember. 2.4, what does that make this number? You see, no, we want it more than that. I don't remember what the math is on the gold. So we want it to go down to about here. So where does that put us? Go back to the hour chart. So we're looking at the same thing. All right, so and let me just, I want to add the modify 1799. Hold on a second here. All right, so we've got a take profit of 1799.57, 1799.57, and a stop loss of 1805.73. What I've done is basically taken about 3 times this just by eyeballing it. So I know that's not precise. If we wanted to get a little more precise, we could look at the chart and go above 1804. Go up here somewhere. 1804.7. 1804.7. 1805. So we are above the resistance line. Depending on how aggressive you are, usually when I'm trading on the euro dollar, I will go 2 supports away. So I'll go somewhere up here because I don't want to get stopped out. It has to break 2 resistance lines to stop me out. So tonight we took a trade on gold, a sell trade with a take profit of 1799.57, 1799.57 with the stop loss of 1805.73. Let's see if we've got any questions. All right. Yeah, the spread is a little bigger on gold, but we'll still make money. We'll still make money, so I'm okay with that. Especially as you know, this is what the Forex gods gave us for tonight. Sometimes you got to take what's there. When you guys copy that trade that I send out in the evening, you need to make sure that the spread has come down before you take it. And usually it doesn't come down till after 6, so sometimes you'll see I'll wait a little bit to send it out. Sometimes when I take it, the spread is still a little high. It might be 2 pips versus like 2 or 3 points. But just to get it out, because I want to finish my day, I'll go ahead and take it and I'll pay the 2 pips. So that's why you'll see sometimes my trade, rather than making on a 10 pip trade, instead of making $1,000, it'll be $800. All right, we will see you guys again tomorrow morning. Trading is great once you learn how to do it, and we are here to make sure you do it well. All right, thanks so much. We will see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.